Hey everyone, this is Reggie from Restore Plus Physical Therapy. And last week I shared a video answering the first most common question that I get from people about using a cane. And that is, what's the right height of the cane that is for them? So if you didn't see that, I highly recommend go and watch that so you'll know how to adjust your cane to the right height. Today, I want to answer the second most common question that I got about canes. And this is something that I know also that a lot of people are not doing it. They don't know because they're not using their canes properly. I have patients coming in and then using their cane improperly. And they could have bought it online. They could have bought it from the pharmacy and were not taught how to use it. And sadly, some of them actually have told me that the therapist gave it to them, but they were not taught how to use it properly. So I see that in the clinic quite a bit, and also I see that a lot outside because when I'm outside, then I see people using assistive devices. I guess the therapist in me kicks in naturally, and I automatically analyze their gait, and if they're using a cane, automatically I analyze, okay, is that the right height for them? Are they using it properly, and so forth. All right. So today I'm going to answer the second most common question that I got from patients and from people about using a cane is, how do you actually use a cane? So what's the right way to use a cane? Just a simple answer there is, people always ask me, do I use it right side, left side, like which side really is? And so how do I use it, right? The short answer there is, you use it on the side opposite where you have the injury, or the side opposite your weak side. So you always use it on the opposite side. Most people tend to use it on the same side if they're not instructed properly. And let me explain to you why. Most people think if this is the side that I'm weak, my left side, is they will use a cane as a support. So they will actually do this, all right? So they're going to use it on the side where they have an injury, they had surgery, or where they are weak. But that is actually wrong. You have to use it on the side opposite. And this is why. There's a couple very, common, very simple reason. And that simple, it means that simple for people to understand. Because I want to make it simple so you will remember this. Okay, so it's going to be the opposite. Why? Is because, one, when you're using a cane, it has to give you additional support. If you're gonna use it on the same side as your weak side when you're stepping, so when I do this, so the cane is almost the same, it's on the same side as my weak leg. Now, this will give me, it's almost the same as having 2 points of support, the left and the right, and it makes me unstable sideways. When I have it on the opposite side, and when you step, because normally when we walk or when we run, you notice our arm swing is, we don't walk like this, right? Our arm swings opposite the leg. So when you step with your left, your right hand swings forward, right arm swings forward. Same thing as when you do the opposite side. So when you're running, it's the same way. It's always the opposite. Gives you balance. Now, when you're using a cane, you want to still have that same pattern. All right. So when you step with your left, you want to use your cane on the right side, because then you have the normal movement, normal swing of your arm with the opposite leg. So when you do this, is you go this way, and it gives you now this one, it gives you a triangle, right? In this situation, my back leg is one, you have my left, and then the front. So it gives me a triangle. And a triangle with 3 points of support is more stable than the 2 points of support that I showed you earlier. So that's one reason why you want to use it on the opposite side. So it gives you a more stable base of support. So that's being a triangle. And plus, the second reason is, as I have mentioned, they're kind of connected, is you have that normal movement, normal arm swing, okay? Because you don't want to start breaking your movement and changing habits. Then when you take off the cane in the future, or let's say you don't need it, and then you're gonna have a weird movement walking like this. As you can see, you walk like a robot. So it's not, it's off, as you can see that. So you want to still have that normal movement, okay? So those are the two very simple to understand reasons why we use the cane on the opposite side. So I want you to remember those two reasons so that you'll remember which side really is where you're going to use the cane. It's going to be the opposite side of your injury, opposite side of where you are weak. Okay, so I hope this helps. I hope this helps you be able to use your cane properly. And also, if you know or you see somebody else using it and they're not using it properly, you know how to actually tell them, teach them how to use a cane properly. All right, so I hope this video is helpful to you, and I want to thank you so much for watching this video, taking the time to watch this video. I hope you learned a lot from it. And remember, I need you to comment, like, subscribe, and share this video so you can change other people's lives. And also let me know what things you want me to talk about so I can help you get healthy and pain-free. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.